I'm Alper Nakri. I create furnitures that tell stories. I use old parts from World War II era. I found these aluminum parts on surplus places around Burbank area. So 1970s, when Lucky Douglas, all those air manufacturing companies left California, they sold all their parts to junkyard places, surplus places. That's what I got the parts. And then I built a series of lamps with these parts. So this is the Aero series. All these green zinc chromate parts are from World War II era. And I researched the parts, find the planes, and wrote story for each piece. Origin helped me a lot on this project because I was able to quickly create prototypes, even on the fly, without even designing sometimes on the computer, or making perfect snug cuts to create a unique piece for each parts that combines all the aluminum parts with my wooden pieces. So on this side, it's actually all the LED bulbs are friction fit. What I did is I measured this plastic part and did a test run and then see how it fits. And then on Origin, using the offset settings, I was able to get a perfectly friction fit. On this side, I measure everything. You know, what size is this, where the hole needs to be perfectly aligned with the wood. And I designed it on Illustrator. It was pretty easy. Like after you put the first hole, you can duplicate the holes. And I put the perfect size for these aerospace grade bolts. And then I just cut it on Origin and they go in precisely. I made this project for Los Angeles Design Festival, and literally, like, design was in my mind, but because I had the Origin, I was able to do it so fast and quick. I even have an old CNC machine here, which I don't use it that often since I have the Origin, because like there is a limitation of the size. With Origin, I can able to scale it big, cut it bigger pieces. Time to time, I don't even go to software to design anything. I just do it on the device. So I've been using Origin a lot on different kind of projects. I use it for art project, printed frames over neon to be able to cut precise holes for neons to go in. And then I use it for another art project for Burning Man, and like we created a crepe card with Origin. So I love actually moving quickly when I make anything. That's why Origin helps me a lot to put together parts precisely, perfectly together.